here, the activity is of a slightly different format than the previous Think, Pair, Share activity. And this will actually be a polling or a voting type of activity. So what we will do here is, in the next slide, or in actually the polling feature of AView, I'll pose a multiple choice question and 5 choices for the question. So what you need to do as participants, in fact right away you need to discuss with a neighbor. And then you need to vote in your own class by raising your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whichever you think is the right answer. So discuss with your neighbor, converge on an answer with your neighbor. So if you and your neighbor have different choices, keep talking to them till you converge. And once you converge, you can raise your fingers and you can in fact tell the coordinator what your choice is. Once you do that, what the coordinator will do is share the majority choice through AView poll. So I'll start the poll in a moment. I'll first pose the questions and then I'll start the poll. So is everybody ready? I hope everybody is ready. Here are the questions. So just right now, just read it, and in a moment I'll start the poll. Different learning objectives are given, and what you need to do is say which of these are valid, appropriate learning objectives based on the definition that you just wrote down in your notebooks. Discuss the answer with your neighbor, and you can raise your hand within your center. So what the center coordinator needs to do at this point is to make a rough note of how many of the participants say 1, how many say 2, how many say 4, and so on. You don't need to do anything on chat right now. We'll start the poll in about 2 minutes. So do a local poll at this point.